In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your password on Windows 11 or Windows 10 in just 5 minutes. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to eliminate the hassle of typing a password every time you log into your computer, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and figure out how to get your system set up for password-free access. To begin, start by clicking on the Start button, located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is your gateway to accessing various applications and settings on your computer, and it's the first step in this journey to a password-less login experience. Once you've opened this menu, you'll need to navigate to the Settings option. It often appears as a gear icon and is typically located towards the bottom of the menu. Click on it and you'll open up a whole array of settings tailored to improve your Windows experience. With the Settings menu now open, your next task is to find the Accounts section. Scroll through the list until you spot it, then click. This section manages all user-related aspects of your computer, including your credentials and login preferences. Once you're in the Accounts section, we need to focus on the part called Your Info. Here, you'll see an array of options related to your personal account settings and information. Now, the key option you're looking for is located under the Account Settings tab, known as Sign In with a local account instead. Selecting this option will transition your login method from a Microsoft account to a local account for your Windows PC. It is a crucial part of the process, allowing you to configure your login preferences, including the removal of a password. Be aware that by choosing to sign in with a local account, you'll effectively sign out of your Microsoft account. This means that features tied directly to your Microsoft account, such as synchronized settings and Microsoft Store apps, may be impacted. However, if you value quicker access to your device without a password, this method offers that flexibility. In just these few straightforward steps, you'll manage to simplify your login process and tailor your computer to suit your personal needs. Keep in mind the advantages and disadvantages of switching to a local account, and ensure it aligns with how you use your device daily. This quick process is designed to give you more control and save you time without compromising the security essentials you value. And there you have it. Your Windows login can be simpler and quicker by just following these easy steps.